Yo, what's up world? I'm in Sanur right now, so decide no more, have to move on no matter of what. And today's vlog is from Sanur. I mean, just on the beach, Sanur beach, Semawang beach actually, exactly. And I'm gonna show you how it looks around. Also, if you're interested, I was just this morning in Hyatt Regency Hotel. Winnie is getting a second dose of the Astravax, you know what? So it's a good opportunity to make a vlog today in Sanur at morning. Anyway, enjoy. That's how it looks Sanur at morning. Well, it's already 8 o'clock, 7:30, 8 o'clock, so it's not like a sunrise, but still very nice. And that's how it looks like. I'm just standing on the land of the restaurant that was Australian restaurant, I forgot the name, here at the corner. The Lindy for sure will know. Now is the advertising of something, like some guest house or something. People are doing the morning jogging stuff like this, doggo. And now I will show you how it looks. This area of Sanur, actually not so often I'm vlogging here, exactly in this spot. So there is some warung over here. That's how it looks, the live. I'm heading into Fairmont direction. Some business at morning. Some bananas selling. That's how it looks, peaceful life. In Sanur is the very high tide actually. I just realized. I will show you a little bit here. See, normally here you can walk if it's low tide, I mean here, but now it's so high tide that sometimes water is splash over here. That's how it looks. Actually a little bit cloudy this morning, maybe it's gonna be rainy later. A lot of jet ski waiting for you over here. That's peaceful life in Sanur at morning. I'll show you 360-degree. How does it look like? And yeah, people still driving. I will make a vlog also how I drive morning. I will show you all my track. By the way, check this out. That's quite a lot of people walking around. And the big group. Yo, what's up? Alright. Very active, very active. Very active, very nice. Always happy people in summer, right? Oh, and here is the new warung also. What's the name of this new warung? I think this is like Tafa, something like that. Anyway, I just at the corner of the Fairmont. This is Fairmont Hotel in Sanur. Unfortunately, Fairmont Hotel seems to be closed. However, they clean outside, as you see. It's very tidy up and everything, but seems like the property itself unfortunately is closed. However, I'm not sure about that. The restaurant obviously is open, this restaurant over here, but the hotel itself maybe it's closed or maybe partly open. Well, obviously this is not the cheapest hotel in Sanur, so maybe that's why, but I'm not sure. And heading now into the restaurants area. Where is the Lila Pantai, Omba? Maybe I will have a coffee in Omba. Lila Pantai. Oh, I already said Lila Pantai. But La Playa and many others I will show you around. So this is the restaurant Pier 8, what is belongs to the Fairmont Hotel. By the way, very interesting fact, the Fairmont Hotel is the hotel when if President of Indonesia is coming to Bali and he have to do something in Sanur or Denpasar, somewhere here, he usually stay in this hotel here. And that's just only interesting fact, I think, for some people. Here snorkeling spot. That's how this look. Really high tide. Long time I didn't see high tide like this in Sanur, to be honest. And that's how does it look like. Here is the restaurants already start begin. So we will see. What does it look like? This restaurant is open but always quiet. I'm not sure what's the name. They have a boutique at the corner on Nilanyan, something like that. peaceful life in Sanur. I just realized after 3 days out of YouTube, I already almost forgot how to do it. Imagine I make like over 1 year daily vlogs, like 380 videos, something 385 every single day. Now Lila Pantai here. If somebody missing this place, also actually quiet, nobody is here around, so I think this is the time. Also many people doing the injections in the Hyatt right now, so that's why maybe it's a little bit more quiet. I'm not sure, I'm just guessing. However, that's how does it look like. So like I said, after break of few days, no, I don't forget how to make a vlog, just a little bit hard to come back. If you know what I mean. Normal. That's how it looks, the stroll around Sanur this morning. This is the Omba, very nice restaurant for coffee. They have a coffee and bakery for only 40k. I will come back later for sure. And I finish the vlog. Yo, what's up, doggo? Keeping well? This restaurant Bamboo is closed during the morning time. They open afternoon. Obviously, actually, much more places are closed at morning due to lack of the customers. They open usually afternoon, hoping for dinner and selling few bintangs. But at morning, actually, where you can have a coffee and some croissant or something, it's like 3 restaurants open since early morning, since 7. Ooh, I shake a little bit with my camera. I'm sorry about that. Alright, and now the corner. There is the parking and going to the street next to Hyatt, and there is the new cafe shop, actually, some warung with the scotch, and also this one, and also happy kids playing, and that's how does it look like. And over jet skis, and here is La Playa at morning. La Playa at morning actually is open also. La Playa is one of the most famous restaurants for expats who living in Sanur. Actually, somebody explained me it's the most famous, but nobody really explained me why it's so famous. And that's why, if you know why is this place so famous for expats community, please comment below. I would really like to know. And that's how it looks like. The guy is cleaning the road. Quiet, high tide, as I already said. Not so bad, really not so bad. People playing, enjoying, somebody even snorkeling here in Sanur. And now I'm heading into the Hyatt Regency area. And what is big surprise for me, Hyatt Regency restaurant, which is pizzeria, is almost full house, as you see. So this is quite strange situation right now, because obviously this is not the cheapest place in this area, but it seems like it's almost full house. So that's very interesting indeed. But regarding the why the restaurant in Hyatt over here is so full, I think first of all the guests who stay in the hotel, now obviously it's a little bit more local domestic tourists who potentially could stay here in the hotel. And second thing, so they have a breakfast, and second thing is the program work from Bali, so the government people who are working from the hotels in Bali, they also made stay in Hyatt in Sanur, and they just having a breakfast right now, so that's why it's so busy. But it's actually quite strange feeling, weird looking, like as the restaurant of the hotel is almost full house, and every restaurant what we passed on the way is just totally empty. So looks a little bit strange. However, that's how does it look like. Ooh, so people running, have to be careful. Here we go. Here they are the gardens of Hyatt Regency. That's how does it look like. Pretty nice gardens. By the way, this wall is the original wall from the 1980s when the Hyatt Regency established. And this is small girl with the big dog. Nice coconut trees. Wow. Also many dogs, I just realized, sleep on the beach right here over there. You know, like literally sleeping, but chilling on the beach. And yeah, Gardens of Hyatt again. Not any kind of paid endorsement. However, if you remember, not so long ago, still over here along this way, this path was like a big blue, very high, ugly blue fence. Was destroying a little bit of landscape of this area over here right now for many years. But luckily now it's finished. It's gone. The hotel is open again, back to business. So it's good to see. It's very enjoyable to work here right now. Alright, and exactly just next to the Hyatt, just at the corner, just next to the wall, is the Andaz Hotel. And Andaz, I think it's still opening. Well, I think I talked already many times about Andaz Hotel here in San Urso. Beautiful hotel, however. The situation looks, how is it? Beautiful beach. Unfortunately today no view of the Mount Agung, where usually it's over there. Well, obviously a little bit cloudy today. Alright, I think it's time. Why it's so bright again? Whoa. Alright, much better. I think it's time for me to grab some coffee this morning. And yeah, we will see. I will show you the place where I'm gonna have a coffee. Beautiful chocolate, and thank you so much. And this is the place. Quite loud music. I will grab some seat on my average spot. Some people around actually. Check this out, how high tide is. But so beautiful and so calm, isn't it? Alright, so cool. And I got my coffee and pastry for TK, not so bad price. I would like to say thank you for watching. See you tomorrow like always. See ya, take care. And by the way, tomorrow I will make some requests, so stay tuned. Probably you will enjoy it. I never make a vlog there yet.